5 AI Tools to Make Money Online, Beginner's Guide. What if I told you there are free AI tools that can help you make money online, even if you're a complete beginner? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today to generate income from your laptop or phone. Making money online used to require a lot of skills like coding, design, or writing. But today, AI tools are doing most of the hard work for you. In this beginner's guide, I'll walk you through 5 AI tools that can help you start earning online, plus simple ways to use them step by step. So make sure you watch until the end, because the last tool might be the easiest one to start with. 1. ChatGPT, AI Writing Tool. The first tool is ChatGPT. This AI tool can help you write blog posts, scripts, product descriptions, and social media content in seconds. How to make money with it? Step 1. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to write content like blog posts or YouTube scripts. Step 2. Go to freelancing websites like Fiverr or Upwork. Step 3. Offer services like blog writing, YouTube script writing, or social media posts. Step 4. Deliver the AI-generated content to your clients. Many beginners are already making $5 to $50 per job using this simple method. 2. Canva AI, AI Design Tool. The second tool is Canva AI. This tool helps you create logos, social media posts, thumbnails, and digital products even if you have zero design skills. How to make money with it? Step 1. Use Canva AI to design logos or Instagram posts. Step 2. Sell these designs on Fiverr or Etsy. Step 3. You can also create YouTube thumbnails for creators. Some designers charge $10 to $100 per design. 3. Pictory AI, AI Video Creator. The third tool is Pictory AI. This tool can turn text into videos automatically. How to make money with it? Step 1. Write a short script using AI. Step 2. Paste the script into Pictory. Step 3. Pictory will create a full video with visuals and voiceover. Step 4. Upload the videos to YouTube, TikTok, or sell them as video services. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels. 4. ElevenLabs, AI Voice Generator. The fourth tool is ElevenLabs. This AI can turn text into realistic voiceovers. How to make money with it? Step 1. Generate voiceovers from scripts. Step 2. Offer voiceover services online. Step 3. Sell voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, and audiobooks. Creators are always looking for high-quality voiceovers. 5. Copy.ai, AI Content Generator. The fifth tool is Copy.ai. This AI helps businesses create marketing content, emails, and ads. How to make money with it? Step 1. Use Copy.ai to generate marketing content. Step 2. Offer email marketing or ad copy services. Step 3. Find clients on freelancing platforms. Businesses pay good money for sales copy that converts. And there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools you can start using today to make money online, even if you're a beginner. The best part is that most of these tools have free plans, so you can start without investing money. If you found this video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI money-making guides. And comment below, which AI tool are you going to try first?